Hi everyone, Darko here and welcome to today's video. Hope you had a great weekend. Today is Wednesday and I want to share with you that last week was a losing week for us. You see on my spreadsheet, and this is my spreadsheet for my live account that I'm journaling. So last week we had a reduced loss on CAD Swissy. We also had a reduced loss on Euro Aussie, and we had a break-even trade on CAD Swissy. Okay, so last week was a losing week, and I want to be very clear so I don't give any misleading information about trading weeks and months and years. So when I have a losing week or month, I'm very, I want to share those information with you so I don't give any misleading information. The reason why I didn't record these videos last week, it was not because I want to be, hiding from the losing week or sharing that news or that with you. Is because I was very busy, swamped with my next episode of my podcast that I launched last week. So I was very busy recording it and preparing around that podcast. So it would mean the world to me if you had a listen, hit the like button, and maybe even share that on your social media, helping me growing my podcast. And thank you in advance. And in that latest podcast episode, I also had a very rewarding news, as my thank you to you for being loyal to me. So hopefully you have a listen and you will find out what that offer was for that podcast episode. This week we had so far only one trade, and that was on pound yen. Let me just show you the slides, the premium chart screenshot before I show you the actual trade. So this was the premium chart that I shared with the room when price was up in here, and said if and when price comes down into this level, mark this number, we will be entering long with the low stop loss, and we are aiming to the final target. Obviously there are some levels in front of us that and we get filled in here. Okay, within this red candle, and the next coming candle went against us by some pips, and then price went up. I'm currently up over 100 pips. I took 62 pips off. The reason why I took those off is because of this double bottom level, very logic level to take some profit, and I reduced my risk from here to 10 pips below this swing low. And the reason why I'm using 10 pips not 7 pips is because pound yen is a high volatility pair. The next level of resistance is actually up in here, so price is heading to our next level of profit targeting, and depending how many lots you are taking, maybe this will be your last lot, or maybe you are aiming to the final target, which is slightly up in here. And I also recorded PMA today, and I said there's actually a strong level just before that up level, and I don't want to risk 250 300 pips just because for another 20 pips ish. So I rather just take the profit up in here and be happy with what I got, if price comes up there, that is. And the reason behind that trade was because I marked these double necklines, which is also a monthly neckline, and I saw a weekly candle clearly closing above that level, and we have a correction move into this level of support, and that correction move was also a daily significant neckline. So we have monthly, weekly double neckline, weekly candle action, daily level, natural stop in here. So this was a no-brainer trade. So that was this is the only trade we had so far for this week, and it's only Wednesday, so we have a couple of more days left. What I also have created now for my paying clients is actually a new tab called Price Action Reading School. Okay, and this is some interesting observations that I have, and this stuff will never be shared on social media because this is hours and decades of hard work and observations that I'm sharing with my clients, and this is a pure price action school. Regardless of your trading style, this will take you where you want to be. So these are the topics that is waiting to be recorded, and I already have recorded 2 of them. Okay, the yearly candle action reading and the correction move explained, and I will continue sharing my price action observations, which will be a game changer for your trading. And like I said, this will never be shared on social media because of the hard work behind this observation. So this is only exclusively for our paying clients. So that's it for this week. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great trading week. Cheers.